Welcome to Flash Tutorial Ice Ball Game Part 3. It's a follow-up to the tutorial Ice Ball Game Part 2. That's what I have opened on my computer. At this time, it might be helpful to have a pencil and paper to write down some coordinates. The only layer I have unlocked is this Limit Persons layer, and I'm going to modify a couple of these limits. This one here is number 3, I believe. Yeah, number 3. I want the free transform tool. I want to take this dot here and slide it there. What that means is make that point stable. I get that double arrow, and I'm taking this over so that I only have 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a good guess. 8 blocks. This one here is number 4. Yep. I still have the free transform tool. I want that to go up to here. This time I want there to be 12 blocks. So I'll get that double arrow. There's, I believe, is 12. If that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go. And put this back in the center. Click on this one. Right click, copy it. Right click, paste it in place. Use your arrow keys and move it over. We want to move it over till we have two blocks here. Two full spaces here. Then take that, put it there, grab this double arrows and drag that over. While we're at it, open the properties panel, and this will be 3A. Go up here, click on that one. Right click, copy it. Right click, paste it in place. Do the same thing. Move it over with the arrow key. Again, 2 blocks past it. Here we come. 1, 2. Put the little circle there. Grab this end, slide it till it lines up approximately there. Put this back. Open up the properties panel. This is 4. I think it's 4A. I think 4A. And I called this one 3A. 3A. Actually, I should have called them B. So click back this one here. Go back here. Make this B. And this one here, make it B. Right. I don't know if we can still paste or not. But right click, copy this one. Right click, paste it in place. And just going to move it over to, move it over to there. Pick this up, take it there. That's the end of it. And we just want to fill that little slot in there. And click on this. Should move this little button up here. And click on this and take it up. Now, I think these got to come down. Yeah. Right click, paste in place. Drag it and put it down here. Move the dot there. Get a double arrow. Take it over here. Put that up there. Double arrow. And it doesn't matter if there's little gaps in them. Doesn't matter. That can go a little higher. Okay. Open this property panel. This should be 3A. This one should be 4A. Okay, that should be good. Now, I'm going to make this one a little bit higher. Oops. Just a little bit higher. There. And you may not have to play around with them. I think these have to come down further. My man's he's only less than 2. Yeah. To make this work, click on this one, put that dot up here, click on that, and drag it down to there. To all these. Whoops, I may as well put that dot back when I'm finished. Yeah, the man will fit in here. That's where he's going to hide. Now, yours don't have to be in the exact same spot I have mine. That should be this one here. I may as well drop this one down too. Oops, Control Z. Wasn't on the ball. There. Okay, lock all the layers. Open the Actions panel, and this can get real tricky. We added 2 limits that we got to get in our code. So if I click from here to there, right click, copy that, put your cursor here, enter, come here, right here where this flashing is, paste it, make this 3A, and make this 4A. Now let's just check to see if they work. Control, test, movie, test. Don't be surprised if you get near. I just want to make sure this one. Okay. And now I'm going to watch it when I hit that one here. I'm watching down here to see if this is moving right here. It is. And I'm watching here again. And that's moving, so all them limits work. Unlock the person layer, and I want to get the coordinates for this person. There's the man. Pick up your selection tool and highlight him. Selection tool. And I don't want him to start there. I want him to start somewhere, at least center of this block. Somewhere around there. Open the Properties panel and select these coordinates. I have, for my X, I have 231.15, or excuse me, I have 231.25 on my X, and I have 363.5 on my Y. Okay, I have that written down. Locking all my layers. I'm selecting my Actions layer, and I'm coming down to where I have this great big OR function. I don't need this trace anymore. And at the end here, putting an enter in, and I'm typing this code. Type, type, type. The person, PERS underscore MC period X equals 231.25. That's what I got when I checked it. And persons MC period Y equals 263.5 semicolon. So let's give that a try. So that means if I hit one of those, I go right back to that spot. If I hit any of those, let's go up here and check one up here. Hit it, and I don't know why that didn't work. For some reason, this one isn't working. That's working, and you should check them all out. So that one there is not working. Now for me, that is 4C. So it's either not in here. It's not in here. 4C is not here. Now I checked mine out, all of them, and these two don't work. And that would be my, I'm just going to check what they are. I believe this is 3B or 4B, 4B doesn't work, and my 3B doesn't work, and that's because we didn't code them yet. So open up the action script, and we're at this line which has all this code, and we need 2 lines. So copy this right here, right click, copy, click on the end here, enter, paste it in, and change this A to a B, and change this A to a B. Then go back, test your movie, and you should make sure that no matter which one of these blue you hit, oh, see, I hit it now, it's getting tricky. No matter which blue you hit, I don't know if I can even get through here. Yeah, it should go back. Now it works. We're on the main timeline, and I want to put a couple more of these limits on this. Select one of these here, any one of them. Right click, copy it. Right click, paste in place. And that's got to go to on the level 2, so I can just drag that over here. And I want that to be, I think, right here. And open the properties panel, make this one 2A. 2A. Right click, paste in place again. Click on it, drag it here. You want it right in the middle here, this way. Call this one 3C. 3C. And right click, paste in place again. It's here. Drag it up to here, right in the middle of those ones. And this is going to be 4C. 4C. Want to make this fit the window? Okay. Now this would be a good time to make this man a bit smaller. So lock all the layers, select the person's layer, grab that man, and open the properties panel. Oops. Highlight that man, open the properties panel, and instead of him being 27 high, let's make him 20. Make sure this is not locked. I don't want to change this. There we go. There's that little man. And he starts here right in the middle of the frame. So let's just give this a quick, oh, not yet. Now we got to write the code for these 3 new limits. Open the actions layer. On this great big if ORs, all these ORs, click here, drag it across, right click, copy all that, put an enter, paste it in. This one here is going to be 3C. This one here will be 4C. And we need to get one more. So if we go from here, this gets tricky. I want to be I want to copy from here, right here, include those 2 pikes, right click, copy this, and if I click right here between those, here between those last 2, right click, paste. So I should have 2 closed curly brackets here, 2 pikes, and 3 closed curly brackets here, and this one that I added would be 2A. Now what you got to do is test the movie. No errors first, hopefully. And no matter which of these, and you should test them all, no matter which one you hit, you should bounce back to this spot. And don't go any further till you make sure that works. This would be a good time to save this. Save as part 3. Save. There's going to be a follow-up. It'll be Flash Tutorial Ice Ball Game Part 4. So make sure you save this FLA. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.